I see you wants to code, but don't know how to start. That's the problem, boy? Let me solve it. First of all, ask yourself, what inspires you to code? In my case, these are my inspirations. Point number 1. Start simple. So what do I exactly mean by start simple? Choosing a programming language, but simple one. There are tons of languages out there in the market, but I would suggest start with HTML and CSS. Why HTML and CSS only? Because it's simple, easy, and you're gonna see output directly on your website. Yeah, it's easy way to get you in the coding world. Don't worry, it will only take 5 days only to get hands on that. After that, you can look at JavaScript and Python. See, if you want to build, your base must be strong enough. Here our second point comes. Learning basics. Building your own app or preparing for job interviews. Your basics gonna help you a lot. Our next point is doing online lectures. I'm not talking about the paid courses. Neither recommend that. There are already millions of tutorial lectures are filled. Also, you can check out description for recommendation. Listen to me. AI is our friend. Yes, taking help of AI like ChatGPT, Gemini is not illegal. Although you have advantage of it, AI is your friend and these keys are God. Okay, knowledge is good but not good enough until you build projects. What projects I can build? You can clone any website or app or ask AI for project ideas. Build together. Also, you can check out these 3 coding games. Yep, that's it. This video is completely for beginners and I will not suggest lead code or any other stuff. Till then, think big.